Cats are known for not being the most affectionate creatures alive, but despite what pretty much everyone says, they really do love you. They just show it in different ways. So I'm gonna do a couple tests I found to see how much my girly really loves me. First up is the slow blink. A cat's way of saying I love you is slow blinking at you. So you're supposed to look them dead in the face and just blink super slowly. I'm behind the camera slow blinking at her. Let's see if she does it back. I really couldn't tell if that was a slow blink or a regular blink. We'll call it a slow blink though. Next up is seeing if they follow you when you leave the room. You can't call their name, you just see if they follow you. I didn't even make it out of the room yet. It only took me like 3 steps. And the last test, which I'm positive she'll pass, is the upside down test. Most cats hate being upside down, and the only way they'll let you hold them like this is if they really trust you. And my girly is purring and happy. Now girly, tell them follow for more.